If you've been considering a facelift but don't want to go under the knife or have weeks of downtime, you may want to look into a new non-invasive procedure called Ultherapy. Dr. Rebecca Weiss is the medical director of Paradise Med Spa, and Alfie Klaas is the patient there. It's good to see you both. Alfie, we'll talk with you in just a minute, but first we're going to talk to Dr. Weiss because I think a lot of people want to know what Ultherapy is exactly.
So Ultherapy is an FDA-approved treatment that uses ultrasound energy, which is focused ultrasound energy. So as opposed to the ultrasound energy that we use when we're looking at obstetrical patients, you know, looking at babies.
Right.
That's unfocused ultrasound energy. This is energy that's focused directly on the scaffolding below the skin, delivering little deposits of energy that then helps to lift and tone the skin.
Okay, now how long does a procedure like this take?
You know, depending on which areas we're treating, you know, its FDA approval is for anywhere the face, the neck, brow lift. Yeah, it's really great. Yet the brow lift, you're asking how long it takes. That's a 15 to 20 minute treatment, really quick.
How many? Do you need several treatments though?
You do. You know, well, depending on how much skin laxity you have. In the beginning, you know, you may want to have more than one. However, I would say the majority of our patients have one treatment. The results from one treatment should last you 2 to 3 years. So as a nice alternative to facelift surgery, patients are loving it.
2 to 3 years?
Yeah.
And do you see results right away, or do they build over time?
No, results are gradual. So you'll see results immediately, but that's really just from a little bit of initial edema after the treatment. Your treatment you know, your course of improvement really is over the next 2 to 3 months.
And we're looking at some pretty amazing before and after pictures here. I mean, you can see the difference, and you said that just gets better over time, which is nice to hear as a woman.
Yep, and you know, most people are coming in. I would say the most popular areas are the lower face, the neck, to help for the jowls. The brow lift is also very popular. Like I said, that's a quick 20-minute treatment. The lower face may take you about an hour. Full face, neck could take you an hour and a half.
Who's a good candidate to get Ultherapy?
You know, I get this question a lot, and I would say that anyone really is a candidate for Ultherapy. You don't have to have significant skin laxity to be a candidate. I would say even younger patients, mid-30s to 40s, could benefit because it'll help maintain that scaffolding so that you don't need a facelift procedure in the future.
And Alfie, you've been sitting here. I know you're dying to jump in. What was it like? I mean, you've already had the procedure done.
It's been 2 months since my procedure, and it was great. Like, you get some drugs because it can be a little painful because it's going so deep, but it's comfortable.
Right.
And then you get to look at yourself right after, and you can see a little bit, but I think it's way better than even just initially.
It got better over time.
And
so here's
each
the before
morning,
and after. How nice to wake up each morning and look better each day.
Yeah, it's great. And I'm a health coach, and it's important for me to not look tired.
Right.
And I embrace the whole aging thing, but I want to look healthy.
Right, and that's a good point, too. Is there any downtime to it when you have the procedure done, so you can go right back to your normal activities?
None at all, yeah.
Wow.
So, you know, there's obviously no scars because it's completely non-invasive. Patients are back to their normal activities within 24 hours.
Very nice.
Yeah, minimal swelling, and no one would even know you had it done.
So you get this great youthful look again. You don't have to go under a knife. There's no downtime. You just feel and look great. That's wonderful. And there's a special offer if you're interested in getting this done. Tell us about that.
So for a limited time after this segment, any callers will get $100 off of their treatment.
Very nice, and we've got the phone number. It's limit one per customer, though, just so you know, and you can't combine it with any other offers. So thank you both for joining us and telling us more about this.
You're welcome.
Sure
Yeah, it's
a lot of folks are interested in it, so thank you for being here and sharing your story too, Alfie. So if you want more information on Ultherapy and Paradise Med Spa, please go to their website. It's paradisemedspa.com, or you can call the number right there on your screen.